Hey there, welcome to our channel TechIs Guru. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how you can log in into PayPal account. But before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further uploads on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on your desktop or your device and you need to type here paypal.com and hit the enter on the keyboard. On the top right corner, you will see the login option. Simply click on it and you will be appear in this login page where you need to enter your email. Once you enter your email address here, you need to click on next and you need to enter your password. Once you enter your password, you need to click on login. If you have forgotten your password or can't remember your password, then simply you need to click on forget password and following the instruction there you can reset your password of this PayPal account. And if you haven't yet created your account, then simply you can click on the sign up option on the bottom of the screen and you can create your account. So once you are done with that, and simply by clicking on login, you can easily log in into the PayPal account.